It is Choose here. How's everything going? Merry Christmas to all of you. I hope you haven't been enjoying your day. I hope you have been enjoying your day. Sounded like I said haven't been. Okay, so I want to try to get right down to it. This is stuff from home, from my mom's place rather, Christmas dinner. So it's stuff that we didn't have for Thanksgiving, mostly. So I've got spaghetti, there's collard greens here, and right here, this on the end, are my beloved chitlins, or chitterlings as they're properly called. That red stuff on it is not blood. Sorry to gross y'all out. It's actually hot sauce. And I'm going to turn the plate around. This is hot water cornbread right here. And in this corner we have stuffing and turkey mixed together. And here is something that I don't get to have often. With this pineapple on top, you can't really see it, but it's ham. My mom said she got this ham for $5. Some brand she never bought before. She said it tastes good. I haven't had it yet. I went to my mom's to eat brunch, but I only had side dishes. So I told her to pack everything up for me, and she did. Oh, in the middle is cranberry sauce right here. And right here is potato salad. As you can see, the largest plate that I have couldn't fit in my very small microwave, so I had to do it like this. So this is from one of my containers. That's potato salad, and this in this container. Sorry for the ghetto setup, but Merry Christmas. This is a my creamy signature pineapple coleslaw right there. I've got some of my mom's punch. I put it in this little thing here, and I'm gonna start. We're gonna start with my beloved chitlins first, that you really should have with yes, a little coleslaw and a little spaghetti. You guys, you know I only have 15 minutes, so if I don't finish this in time, I'm so sorry. I'm cutting into the ham now with a little pineapple. She used a brown sugar glaze, she said. That actually tastes very good. I didn't mention the butter roll I have here on top. I didn't get to have potato salad at the house, so very good, Mama. I did have collard greens earlier, and these were also very good too. I contributed the creamy pineapple, signature creamy pineapple coleslaw. The one thing I knew that I could make without too many problems. I also did not get to have any turkey and stuffing at my mom's. I'm sorry. Y'all be wanting to see a bitch, so here we go. My chair is lowering. Hold on. There we go. If you hear any noises again, it's my neighbor upstairs that I wanted to say a prayer before I started eating. A prayer to have one of God's darkest angels come down and slice her 6 ways to Sunday. Merry Christmas. But I thought it was important to just move the fuck on, so here I am. I'm not going to finish all this. My mom's chitlins are some of the best in the world. Let me strike that. Some of the best I've ever tasted. And I haven't tasted very many, but some people don't know how to make it right, make them right. Someone's calling me. I think it might be my mom. I'll have to get with her later. And of course, it's not a necessity to have the chitlins with hot sauce. It just gives it an extra reason to exist. So, how have you guys been? Have you been enjoying your holiday? I hope you have. And I realize that for some people, you know, this is just not a time to celebrate, and they want as little to do with it as possible. So for whom that applies, keep your head up, or at least hoping you find some kind of way to enjoy the day. Even if you spend it alone, I mean, you do what you feel comfortable doing, I guess. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm pretty much alone now. I'm okay with it. You know, if I had kids, it'd be a different story, but this juice, this punch is like, I think it's like cherry and lime together. It's really good. Kind of sweet. I don't need it too sweet, but it's appetizing. At least enough for me to want to take some home. And my coleslaw, of course, is dynamic. You guys, I'm not going to finish this. So I don't know for sure what I'm going to do. But there might be part 2 featuring sweet potato pie and caramel cake. I'm not fucking with that tonight. Hot water cornbread and collard greens. Take me away now. I'm not just saying this because she's my mom and because her cooking is, you know, pretty much the foundation as far as stuff that I've had. But she really is a great cook. I was thinking about this on the way home. I remember 3 Christmases, and I think I might have mentioned this in a previous video over the holidays. I remember a Christmas where I think I mentioned this actually not too long ago. I woke up, my brothers they were making noise in the front room, and I woke up. It was maybe 12. I probably got antsy, the whole Santa Claus thing, and I was about 6 or 7. The drum set in the front room, and I thought it was mine because I really wanted the drum set, and they told me it was for my friend Eddie. Turns out it was from me. My brothers were just being sadistic. So that's one Christmas I remember. The other Christmas I remember is, I guess my mom must have had it really rough, because I got some kind of an educational book for Christmas. Had like multiple choice things in it. And as I got older, like over the years, I often wondered if she remembers that and what was that period like for her. Like, you know, did she want to... Obviously, she couldn't afford to do anything for Christmas. And I thought, well, I hope I didn't have some kind of a learning malfunction or something as a kid. I was always a bright kid. I'm not sure what the fuck happened as an adult, but I was always a bright kid. And, you know, decent grades and stuff. And the other Christmas I remember, we went to Toys R Us. I was probably 10, and she told me to pick my gifts. So I had to pick them out like a month before Christmas. I didn't get that. I mean, it was okay, but you guys, there's still so much on this plate. It's terrible. That's why I don't like to show myself too much, because of the light. I like for you guys to see the food, but there's still a whole lot. I can't finish this. The old body just ain't what it used to be. I would scarf this down, no problem. What are your favorite dishes, or dishes that you make that people like? And does anyone still make fruitcake anymore? I saw a meme today. It was this animated fruitcake in a psychiatrist's office saying, "I just don't think people really like me." I love the taste of stuffing and cranberry sauce together. Don't know why, but it works for me. And are you guys watching Black Mirror? I'm probably really tardy to the party regarding that, but it's really fucking good. I got one more episode to watch. Maybe tonight. Tonight I think I want to try and find this movie. I think it's called A Summer Place. I guess it's a Christmas movie from 1959. A friend of mine sent me a clip of it this morning that was made into a meme where this mother slaps her daughter and the tree comes falling down to the ground with her. Pretty funny. But yeah, anyway, you guys, I can't, and it's about 14:30, so thank you so much. I appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your Christmas evening. And like I said, tomorrow or maybe Tuesday, I'll do a dessert one for you guys. Okay, love ya. Have a great day or great evening. Bye.